welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to another episode of Diwalog 2020. So before I start with today's video, I have just created a new channel which looks like this. So go give it a check, and yeah, let's talk about today's video now. Before I forget, there are two giveaways going on this channel, so to participate, rules are in the description box below, and I'm going to announce the winners next week. So coming to today's video, by the title you already know what this video is going to be about, and I'm going to talk more about it. So in today's video I'm going to do 2 minutes makeup challenge. So by my face you already know I have nothing on my face, so we are going to take up this 2-minute makeup challenge. So the challenge is pretty much clear from the name itself. I'll set a timer in my phone for 2 minutes, and what all things I want to do, I have to do it within 2 minutes, and I'll be showing you the timer as well, and let's see if I can complete this challenge or not. So I have few products here. I have not taken much products because I know 2 minutes you can't use everything, so I've taken a few basic things, and I'll try to complete it within 2 minutes. You guys can also take up this challenge with me, so let's do it. So before I start the makeup, I need to moisturize my face because winters are on and you guys can see the dryness that I have, so I can moisturize the face before that because that is not included in makeup. So I'm going to just do that and then we'll start the challenge. I'm using this one. This is the Olay. Right now I'm using this a lot because it suits my skin during this winter time, so I'm going to take a lot of it because my skin is desert. Okay you guys, so I have moisturized my face and now we are going to start the challenge. So here I have my phone, and let me just set the timer. I'm going to provide the timer on the screen so you guys can see clearly because I don't have any space to put the phone like this. So yeah, I am setting the timer now. So I've set it, as you guys can see, 2 minutes, and I'll start once we are done with everything. So yeah, so I've just tied my hair and now I'm going to start this challenge. Yeah. Okay you guys, so the time is done now, so let us just talk about what we did. I think this looks good, like 2 minutes ke liye I think it's better. Now let us just see close up because that would tell us. I have a mirror right here. So number one thing that happened was, now I didn't use any concealer, but I don't think I need any. Like for 2 minutes I can't do everything, so yeah, like it's okay, but it would have been better if I would have used a concealer. Second thing, I didn't do my brows, but that too is fine, like, because that would not be possible to do it 5 minutes. So this is the kind of look like I can wear and go outside, like that. It's fine. Didn't do any major blender. So the number one thing that I used was foundation, and blending is like quite good. It seems blended, there are no patches and all, so foundation was done. Second thing I used was highlighter, so look much popped up, like I would have used it in a better way, but it's fine. Like there's a light shine, so that also it's fine. Third thing which I used was blush, so there's little bit of tint, the blush isn't visible, so I was really scared that if I took so much of blush then what's gonna happen, so I took a little bit, so that is also fine. Then mascara is like I applied a little bit because I didn't wanted a fully voluminous eyelashes without much makeup. So that also applied a little bit of it. The mascara also I did little, so that is like okay. And lipstick, the main part that is applied properly is lipstick, like. So that was about the 2 minutes makeup challenge. Blunder that I did was I didn't have any mirror for this thing. I would have used this mirror, but there was no time. And yeah, I thought that 2 minutes would be more to complete the makeup, but it just went on like anything. And yeah, but I enjoyed it and I'm happy I completed it. So yeah, you guys can also take this challenge along with me. Do tag me if you take this challenge. I want to see how you complete it within 2 minutes. And yeah, that was all about today's video. If you want me to do any other challenges, do let me know in the comments below. And this is how I do my makeup. I'm always in a hurry, and that happens like every day. Whenever I have to film something, I am always running late, and this is actually how I do my makeup. So yeah, and so yeah, that was about it. And if you guys try out this 2 minutes makeup challenge, do tag me. I would love to see how you do it. And yeah, so this was all about today's 2 minute makeup challenge video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.